Welcome to Southeastern Ohio Solar Haven. As you can see here, I got my plate taken off of my one charge controller. I got 4.5 kilowatt in today on that one and 2.3 kilowatt on this one. Not bad, not a bad day, not a bad day at all. But the reason why I have this off here today is because of these little batteries. I like to change them out once a year. I take a 1216. I like to change them out once a year just to make sure that my charge controllers keep their settings and I don't have to worry about a battery dying inside these things. Did the other one and I didn't do it on video because, well, it's kind of hard to do with one hand process, but right there it is. It's easy to change out. Nice little close up. Just be careful, they will fly across the floor. So, yeah, I wanted to let you guys know about that nice little trickery there going on. And something about power inverters. I was thinking about taking these power inverters and taking this one down and slapping them up on the wall, get them off the table. I mean, they're screwed down to the table. You can't move them. But I was thinking about either moving them or selling them all off to go to 48 volt, and I like your comment and suggestions on that. I got 4 inverters. I got 2 of these. They're the same. One says Quiet Power, one says Xantrex. Technically, it's built by the same company. It's just different stickers on it. Same inverter inside and out. Doesn't matter. Those are 24 volt also, 1800 watt inverters. But I've come to really loving my Ames inverters because of the surge capability. I was thinking about selling those off and getting a 6 kilowatt split phase 240 and maybe a 3 or 4,000 watt regular single 120 volt output inverter. Little trick I like to do with these. You see this little fan here? Yeah, it's kind of cool. I put magnets on it. And then I can just slap it on there. And it keeps it a little bit cooler actually. 12 volt fan, computer fan, 120 millimeter fan works great. Keeps these, you know, a lot of people complain about they're hot at idle, and yeah, even this one was warm at idle. I just stuck a fan on there, and whenever it kicks its regular fan on and off for loads. So, but yeah, I can switch to 48 volt because I got the battery bank to do it. I got a 24 volt battery bank, all golf cart batteries, 24 golf cart batteries, so that would limit me down to around, well, it wouldn't limit me because I'd be increasing my voltage to 48 volt, but I'd be at 645 amp hours instead of 1290. But voltage makes difference, a lot more efficient. You don't need as much amps current wise, where it to make 480 volts AC at 24 volts, you need about 20 amps, and at 48 volt, you need 10 amps. So for 480 watts, do the math. It's not too hard on your batteries that way. But I had good power production today. No wind. Wasn't really windy today. And the Rogue, I didn't even have it turned on because I only switch over to all my panels when there's a power outage situation, so that way it gives me my full ability to run 6.4 kilowatts now because I had gotten a hold of some more panels and put them on my little roller mounts, little rack mounts that I can push around on wheels. So it gave me about an extra 1.2 kilowatts of power. But yeah, give me your thoughts and suggestions and whatever. I mean, because These inverters right here are around the 4 kilowatt one anyway is around. I think it was $9.98 free shipped when I bought it because it was on sale. And so wasn't the 2 kilowatt one. It was like $6.50 or something like that on sale, and I got them free shipped to me. Now shipping these out to someone that would be interested in them, that could get quite expensive because this monster alone weighs 70 to 80 pounds. I mean, it's heavy. And this one's no light bugger either. It's about 50 pounds, 60 pounds. So keep that in mind. Those are light. You know, they might weigh 15 to 20 pounds, and that's only because these are low frequency power inverters, where these are not. These have a huge transformer inside of them, where those don't. These are high frequency power inverters. They have like a 2400 surge up to 24, I think it is, and then it's 1800, where this is 4000 watts, and it has up to a 12,000 watt surge capability for like 20 seconds or something like that. They're really good inverters. You know, they are inverter chargers at the same time, so you don't need a charger. You can just plug it right into your generator and charge your batteries if you needed to. And that's my thinking for the night. Not much to talk about other than it's an idea. It's come across my mind. So just give me your comments and suggestions. If anybody's interested, you know, just send me a message through YouTube or whatever. I think you can grab my email address off my YouTube description, and you might be able to send me a message, and you know, if anybody's interested, make offers. I know these new are like $1,300, but they're used and they won't be sold for near that amount. I can guarantee you that. I've seen working ones in good condition go for between $300 and $500. So that's a pretty good price for those, because they hardly ever break down if you take care of them and don't think that they're a 10 megawatt power station and can run your whole house. They just won't do that, but they're great for computer systems, or I've ran refrigerators and air conditioners off of them, and they just don't sweat it. So those are good inverters. So yeah, there's something to think about, I guess. But yeah, just remember changing that battery out, and give me your comments and whatever ideas, or maybe you might be interested in the whole shebang on the inverters. I can give a good price on all of it, you know. I just want to be able to, you know, if I sell them, I want to be able to go straight to 48 volt and be able to power myself even better. So alrighty, well, have a good evening and take care of yourself. Have a solar sunny days when they come along, and beat back that winter cold. It's supposed to get cold up here in Ohio this coming week, so brr. Have a good one, guys. Later, and I'm out.